Hey YouTube, let's learn how to play this Process by the Boys by Protomartyr. So yeah, the song begins with that little riff. It's D minor 7. So we're gonna bar the first two strings and then play the G string on the second. We're gonna play all strings 5 through 1. We go passing chord to A minor 7 to F. You could play that with a power chord. And then ends up on E minor. And then it goes back to D. Then it goes into A minor for the verse. When they first made a living. Goes the G from A minor. Being processed by the boy. Then we go back to the D minor 7. We do this riff. That's just like an A minor riff where you play in the A minor. And on the G string, you're letting go, so that actually makes it A minor 7. But you're hammering on to the 2nd fret with your ring finger. And then you do a pull off and then right into playing the D string. Repeat. And then to finish it, after you repeat it, you go to the B string and you're playing that at the 1st fret. And it goes into the G part. And then at the end, it's playing the A minor 9. Right, have fun playing that song. Thanks for watching. Bye.